Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make cartoon animation videos using Nano Banana and Gemini 2.5 Flash. So what if I told you you can create full cartoon stories in minutes using just AI tools like Nano Banana and Gemini? And in here, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can turn your story idea into a complete cartoon animation video using only free AI tools. Let's jump in. So first you need to write the story. You can open Gemini 2.5 Flash and then ask it to generate a short cartoon story script. For example, in here, I'm going to write this prompt: write a fun cartoon story about a cat who wants to be a superhero. And then you can just click on submit, and as you guys can see, Gemini will give you the idea for the script. And now you can create the cartoon characters using Nano Banana AI. So you can use it on Google Gemini, or you can also go to the Google AI Studio and go to the Nano Banana here. Now for the character, I'm going to use this prompt: write a fun cartoon story. This one, cartoon character, cute superhero cat with blue cape and mask, animation style. Let's just skip this. Click on run. And you can just wait. And after the character is generated, you can just save your main character. So this is the characters in multiple poses. You can go with standing, running, and talking. And after you create the characters and also the story, you can generate the scenes. With Nano Banana, you can just generate the backgrounds and props. So for example, I'm going to use this background, cartoon city background, colorful, daytime, simple, animated style. And after that, you can just collect all assets, including the characters and also backgrounds. Then just turn it into animation. You can import the assets into CapCut, Canva, or After Effects. Okay, so here's the background. And you can also just use simple animation like fade in and out, pan and zoom, or lip sync. And you can also add Gemini AI voice or free text to speech to narrate the dialogue. And after that, you can just sing the voices with characters, add the sound effects and music, and export the clip in 1080p or 4K for YouTube Shorts or full videos. And that's it. You just made your first cartoon animation video with Nano Banana and Gemini 2.5 Flash. If you found this helpful, smash that like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks.